Everyone's comrade weather, late night, thunderstorm. Starting to see more frequent flickers compared to the video I was starting to make about 10 minutes ago. More like 7 minutes ago. That's good. I mean, yeah, you can start to see some flickers, very light flickers, but should be seeing some more wow like that. That's a good one. So sit back, enjoy the show. I have my other camera with me. It's a Kodak. For some reason I keep hitting it and it flashes, so if you see a really bright flash, I really doubt it's going to be lightning, and more probably my camera being a freaking idiot. I'm trying to contain my swearing, because I got a lot of comments about my swearing last home chase video. If I lose my mind over bolts, please understand it. I love seeing bolts. Sit back and enjoy the show. Oh, for fuck's sake, I turned it up. Sorry for swearing, people. I turned my back for a second to look at the radar, and I see a big flash. I'll have to rewatch it. Actually, I don't want to start recording my camera. Record. God. It's gonna look like shit, but shit. Ooh, that was a good one. Ooh. See, my phone's better at picking up the line than my camera is. That's bad. Here comes the rain. Ooh. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna save that one and then save that. So I don't want a massive continuous. Ooh. There we go, we're getting into some good storms now. Wow, that's gonna be loud. If we'll hear that. Yep, we heard it already. Wow. Wow. We are in it now, boys. We're in it now. Yeah, we're kind of in the middle of it right now. Wow. Save that. That was a picture of absolutely nothing. Got about 3 minutes on the new camera with the lighting. Oh, I mean, it does have audio, but the audio kind of sucks. Wow. Mother Nature thought I was done for good. Now I still have another camera recorded. It's hearing all my thoughts currently. Oh, there it's just here, I'm gonna pull you aside for a minute, but even if I miss something, it doesn't matter. Alright, so just my god, focus, you piece of junk. Come on. Alright, well, we're like right over here, and then there's like just a ton of lightning. It's not focusing, just believe me, there's like a ton of lightning over here. And then we're like right over here, so I might do a time lapse of this, right? Go to 20 minutes, see what happens in the next 9 minutes. I'm gonna turn my camera back on. That's the shingle it has. The good thing about this camera is it's waterproof. So. Yeah, I'm gonna have to say my phone does a better job catching lightning than my camera does, and my actual codec. Although I don't think digital cameras were really designed to capture quick moving things like lightning. Wow. This getting kinda crazy out, I'm not gonna lie. Make sure we have no rotation. We're good. I'm actually surprised I haven't issued that to so you're so wonderful. I don't think it's really doing any severe criteria, but wow. Both cameras definitely got that one. conserve my gigabytes. I probably only use like 2 of the 32 gigs. Trust me, I should be good till mid-August probably. There we go. Wow. It is pouring. Alright, one more. Wow. One more. Wow, there we go. I would not be surprised if there was considerable flash flooding. Wow. Wow, my back was turned. I'm gonna have to look. Okay, 18 minutes in. Oh, yeah, that's, wow. Whoa. Yeah, they gotta issue a severe warning for this one. I think these winds are starting to get severe. Wow! Yeah, these winds are getting strong. Whoa, the light, and it's getting continuous cladogram. Whoa, oh, that's close. These are really close lightning strikes now. We're gonna keep filming. I'm gonna go to the 25 mark, see where we're at then. How's it getting heavier? I haven't experienced a storm like this in a long time. This is a good storm. Considerably strong one too. Oh, ho, ho. You want to know how crazy the wind is? The pine trees you're seeing in front of you are rocking like crazy. I saw the bolt. Holy shit, that was close. I am so sorry for swearing, but holy shit, was that close. Alright, I'll stop the camera now. Until I can figure out if that one can do a time lapse, I don't know. Wow. I'm in shock. I've never seen so many close range lightning in quite some time. Or a storm this. Oh shit, the thing's moving. The fucking gazebo's moving. It's nailed in, it's staked in, but it's not tied down. So we might see this thing fly in a second here. God, I hope not. Wow. Alright, we're gonna keep on 5 more minutes here. Alright, I'm gonna try to go till the half-hour mark, and then I'll probably end it. Maybe time-lapse, I don't know. Although, you know what? Actually, let's time-lapse it now. Less time being used. Alright, I hope you guys watched the time-lapse. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the video.